Assalamu alaikum, my friend. How are you? Hope you are okay. Today I'm going to bring for you a toast omelette, which is very easy, very quick. It's take you hardly 15 minutes to cook it, and it's good for the pack lunch, for the giving to kids for school either even, and you can take with you with your work even, or nice breakfast even in the afternoon if you are very busy and you don't have a time to cook something big recipe. So it's quick easy recipe I'm sharing with you. So let's see guys what things we need for it and how we cook it. Let's begin the recipe. First I'll be take one chili. If you guys don't like it chili, you can skip it. This chili is anyways not very hot. I'll be take little bit here, this the red our pepper, one small onion. This is I'll be take little bit coriander here, and this is leftover. I have a one half of our yellow pepper, which is I'll be use as well, and also I'll be use one this spring onion. So these vegetable I'm going to use it, but if you guys don't like from them like onion or chili or anything, you can skip it. It's totally up to you. You can add even tomato. I'm not adding a tomato. I don't want in this toasted tomato inside, but you can add anything you like it. I'm using these things, so let's begin to chop. Yes guys, here I have cut my all vegetable, so I'll be take them in a bowl. So the all vegetable is come in the bowl here. Yes guys, here I took a little bit butter and the two toast I'm going to use in first. So first what will I do, I make the butter a little bit melt because it was too cold. So I'll be apply the butter on the toast like that. Yes my friend, I applied the butter in the both toast, just on the one side. I didn't put other side, just on the one side. I'll be cut my toast. I'll be just leave it the corners like this. Yes guys, I removed this both sides. So now I go to the cooker and begin to cook now. Yes my friend, here I'll be take it little bit vegetable. I'm not putting all of them in one go because I will be make it other toast as well. So that's the vegetable. I'll be put just spray a little bit olive oil. You can use any oil you like it. So I'll be just cook it hardly 30 seconds to make it a little bit crispy. While they are cooking, I'll be make my eggs ready. While our vegetable is cooking, so I'll be make ready our eggs. So I'm just using the 2 eggs. You can put 3, 4 according to your vegetable, how you like it. So I'm putting just the 2 eggs on it, and in the eggs, salt, and if you want to add any chili powders or anything you like it, is totally up to you. That how taste you like and how you want to eat. So I'm just adding the black pepper, salt, little bit pinch of red chili powder, pinch of cumin powder. This chili powder is optional. If you don't like it guys, it's not necessary to use it. So I'll be shake it well. Yes my friend, our egg is ready. So our vegetable is ready as well. So let's add with the vegetable. Yes my friend, I have done eggs, and our vegetable is so far ready. I just want to be cooked just few seconds. I did it. I'll be still remain it like a crunchy taste on it. So I'll be take try to make it square as much you can, and place your bread who you put it earlier. Just spread around the corner like I did it. Little bit more oil, and then you spread the egg on the top. just like I did it. And finally, this is also optional. If you want, you can do it, but if you don't want it, you can add very little bit the cheese on the top. It's up to you. It's optional cheese. If you like it, you can do it, but if you don't like cheese, just you can skip the cheese. Here, the toast I cut it earlier. The butter thing is on the top. I didn't put it butter in the bottom. I think it should be this way around. Yes. So I'll be just press it nicely. I'll be cook it like a few more seconds, then I'll be turned around. Yes guys, I'm going to turn now. Be careful when you turn, don't break it. There you go guys. As you can see, it's so we'll be cook it very medium heat, medium little bit low, so until they're good, little bit brownish. So I'll cook this few more seconds, then our one toast will be ready. So same process I will be do with another toast as well, like the way I did this one. Yes guys, here I cook it so far 1 minute in the medium heat, less than medium heat even, and so let's see if it's prepared. Is it ready from other side? There you go guys, it's nice brownish color you can see here. So I'll be take off my this omelette, this bread, and I'll be keep aside this one while I'm cooking the other one with the same procedure who I did it with this toast. With the same procedure I'm going to do with another toast as well. When it will be ready, then I will be show you the guys. It's the same procedure, nothing changed. Yes my friend, here our second toast is also ready, as you can see. So let me check from other side if it's cooked well. Yeah, it's okay. It's very nice and crispy brown. So our this toast is ready as well. So what will I do now is up to you guys. If you want to do like this more cheesy, make it to give you the nice cheesy taste. If you like or your kids like, you can do it. It's kind of if you don't add the cheese, you can eat even single toast like this as well. It's kind of a omelette pizza, you can say as well, the same. This is I've done it. And this is the other toast who I cooked earlier, so I'll put this on the top of that. There we go. So I'll be cook it few more seconds from the both sides. Yeah, when it will be ready, I'll be show you guys. Yes my friend, our this omelette toast is ready. From both sides you can see the very nice and brown and crispy. Even inside the vegetable they are crispy, because I just did a stir fry for 2 minutes, even less than 2 minutes. So I will put this aside. Our this one kind of sandwich is ready. I show you the another type without vegetable. Yes my friend, because this I'm cooking without vegetable. So I'll be just straight away put this oil inside, and I'll be pour our egg. I put in the half of egg. Now I'll be let it cook for a few seconds, and on the top again is cheese is optional guys. If you want, you can do it. If you don't want, it's totally up to you. Toast on the top. Yes my friend, I cook it 1 more minute. So here we go, turn around, look at the nice beautiful color, golden. So same other side I'll cook 2 minutes, and I'll be do same procedure. One toast I did it, another toast I'll be do with the same way without a vegetable, and then I'll be make it the way I did the previous one. Yeah, it's nice crispy brown, as you can see guys. So my this toast is ready. So another toast I'll be do the same way, the way I did it this one. Then when it will be done all, then I'll be show you guys. Yes my friend, this is our another toast. It's also ready as well. So I will put the top of cheese. There we go. You can see how it's crispy. There we go, guys. Look at how it's cheesy it is. Yes, guys, this one is. Yes, guys, this was today's recipe, and I hope you guys like it. And this, you can see, very nice, crispy brown, and very easy and very quick. It just take me hardly 15 minutes, and it's look very delicious to me. Hopefully you will be like my recipe. If you like, please subscribe my channel and like my videos, and hope see you soon. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.